Are you tired of knee pain affecting your daily life? Discover the revolutionary Feel Good Knees program, designed to restore knee comfort in just 5 minutes a day. Feel Good Knees is a gentle, science-backed system that combats pain, stiffness, and joint stress. This program is perfect for anyone, including seniors and beginners. No equipment or complex exercises are needed, making it accessible and easy to follow from home. The program features step-by-step videos and clear instructions. By focusing on controlled movements and light pressure, it strengthens knee-supporting muscles and enhances mobility without straining your joints. Real-life success stories highlight miraculous transformations. One user even reported ditching pain medications after just a couple of weeks. So, how does it work? Feel Good Knees relies on 3 core principles. First, targeted stimulation sends signals through muscles and ligaments, enhancing circulation and reducing swelling. Second, improved alignment helps even out pressure on the joint. Lastly, tension release eases the stress accumulated in surrounding muscles. Key benefits include reduced daily pain and stiffness, improved strength and stability, and a boost in overall flexibility. Each movement is scientifically designed to rejuvenate your knees naturally. Picture yourself enjoying activities you once loved, liberated from pain and discomfort. Act now to access Feel Good Knees for only $27, down from the regular price of $497. Plus, enjoy free bonuses, a set of quick knee activation techniques and a posture guide to aid your healing process. Experience this risk-free program today with a 60-day money-back guarantee. If you don't feel the improvements, simply request a refund. Why wait? Take the first step toward pain-free mobility now. Click the link below in description and pinned comment and get started with Feel Good Knees today.